NASA spent millions trying to keep astronauts alive in sealed space stations. The solution? $20 houseplants. Most people don't realize this, but those same plants can remove 87% of deadly toxins from your home in 24 hours. Formaldehyde from your furniture, benzene from your cleaning products, xylene from your paint, and even ammonia. All gone, while simultaneously releasing oxygen, improving the quality of the air you breathe every single day. Yet most people just treat them like decoration. Today, I'm ranking the 20 most powerful air-purifying plants on Earth, from impressive to absolutely life-changing. Number 1 is so effective that one plant can clean the air in a 100-square-foot room, and it's nearly impossible to kill. Let's start with number 20 and work our way up to the plant NASA called nature's air purifier. Number 20, Gerbera daisy, the colorful purifier with a hidden talent. At first glance, the Gerbera daisy looks like it belongs in a garden, not in a conversation about air purification, but that's exactly why it earns its spot on this list. Because behind those bright, cheerful blooms is a plant that has been shown to remove benzene and trichloroethylene from indoor air, two chemicals commonly found in inks, paints, and cleaning products. What makes this plant interesting is that it doesn't just sit there looking pretty, it actively participates in improving your environment, especially during daylight hours when its photosynthesis is at its peak, releasing oxygen while filtering airborne toxins through its leaves. The catch, and the reason it ranks at number 20, is that it requires bright light and a bit more attention than most indoor plants. Meaning it's not the easiest choice for beginners, but if you're willing to give it the right conditions, it rewards you with both beauty and function in a way very few plants can. Number 19, English ivy, the classic climber that cleans more than you think. There's something almost timeless about English ivy, the way it trails, climbs, and adapts to its surroundings, but what most people don't realize is that this plant has been shown to reduce airborne particles, including mold and even certain forms of bacteria, making it particularly useful in places like bathrooms or kitchens. Studies have shown that English ivy can remove formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene from the air, and its dense foliage gives it a large surface area to absorb these pollutants efficiently. It prefers moderate light and slightly moist soil, and while it's relatively easy to grow, it does require occasional trimming to keep it under control. But in return, it offers a quiet kind of purification that works in the background, improving your air without demanding too much attention. Number 18, Chinese evergreen, the low-light survivor with a powerful edge. If your home doesn't get a lot of natural light, this is where the Chinese evergreen starts to shine. Because unlike many plants that struggle in dim conditions, this one thrives, and not just survives, but actively works to remove toxins like benzene and formaldehyde from the air. What makes it special is its resilience, its ability to tolerate neglect, inconsistent watering, and low light, while still maintaining its air-purifying capabilities, making it one of the most forgiving plants on this list. Its broad, patterned leaves aren't just decorative, they act like filters, pulling in airborne pollutants and breaking them down at the root level, creating a cleaner indoor environment over time. Number 17, Weeping Fig, the elegant purifier with a hidden strength. The weeping fig has been a staple in homes for decades, often passed down from one generation to the next, and while it's known for its graceful tree-like appearance, it also plays a significant role in improving indoor air quality. Research shows that it can remove common indoor pollutants like formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene, especially in environments where these chemicals are more concentrated, such as newly furnished rooms. It prefers bright, indirect light and consistent care, and while it can be a bit sensitive to changes in environment, once established, it becomes a powerful and long-lasting addition to your indoor space. Number 16, Philodendron, the adaptable purifier that quietly excels. There's a reason philodendrons have remained popular for so long, and it's not just because they're easy to grow, but because they're incredibly effective at removing formaldehyde from the air, one of the most common indoor pollutants. Whether trailing down from a shelf or climbing up a support, these plants maximize their leaf exposure, increasing their ability to absorb toxins and release oxygen. They thrive in indirect light, tolerate occasional neglect, and adapt to different environments with ease, making them one of the most versatile air-purifying plants you can bring into your home. Number 15, Dracaena, the vertical purifier that transforms spaces. Dracaena plants don't just sit quietly in a corner, they rise, sometimes reaching heights of up to 6 to 8 feet indoors, and with that vertical growth comes a significant increase in air-purifying capacity. NASA studies have shown that Dracaena varieties are effective at removing benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and xylene, making them one of the more comprehensive purifiers on this list. They prefer bright, indirect light and slightly moist soil, and while they grow slowly, their impact builds over time, especially in larger rooms where their size allows them to filter more air. Number 14. Bamboo palm, the tropical purifier that breathes life into your home. There's something about palms that instantly changes the atmosphere of a room, and the bamboo palm does exactly that. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, it's one of the most effective plants for removing airborne toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. It also acts as a natural humidifier, releasing moisture into the air, which can help combat dryness, especially in climates where indoor heating reduces humidity levels. It does require a bit more space and regular watering, but in return, it offers both purification and comfort, making your home feel fresher and more alive. Number 13. Aloe vera, the healer that works while you sleep. Most people know aloe vera for its soothing gel used for burns and skincare, but very few realize that it also plays a role in purifying indoor air, particularly by removing formaldehyde and benzene. What sets it apart is its unique ability to release oxygen at night, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms where it can contribute to better air quality while you sleep. It prefers bright, indirect light and minimal watering, and its dual purpose, both as a medicinal plant and an air purifier, makes it one of the most practical additions to any home. Number 12. Rubber plant, the glossy giant with serious filtering power. The rubber plant is impossible to ignore, with its large, thick, glossy leaves that don't just look impressive but serve a very real function, capturing and breaking down airborne toxins like formaldehyde. The larger the leaves, the greater the surface area, and the more effective the plant becomes at filtering air, which is why even a single mature rubber plant can have a noticeable impact on a room. It thrives in bright, indirect light and requires moderate watering, and with minimal care, it can grow into a striking indoor tree that doubles as a natural air purifier. Number 11. Spider plant, the nearly indestructible purifier everyone should own. If there's one plant that deserves a place in every home, it's the spider plant. Not just because it's incredibly easy to grow, but because it has been shown to remove pollutants like carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and xylene from the air. It adapts to a wide range of conditions, from low light to bright indirect light, and it's forgiving when it comes to watering, making it ideal for beginners or anyone who doesn't want to worry about constant maintenance. It also produces small offshoots, often called babies, which can be replanted, allowing you to multiply your air purifying plants without spending anything extra, turning one plant into many over time. That's the first half of the list, and already you can see how powerful these plants can be when it comes to improving the air inside your home, but we're just getting started, because the top 10 plants take things to another level entirely, combining ease of care with some of the strongest air purifying abilities ever studied. And trust me, the next ones are where things start to get really interesting. Number 10. Golden pothos, the unstoppable purifier that thrives on neglect. If there were ever a plant that seemed almost impossible to kill while quietly improving your air at the same time, it would be the golden pothos, a trailing vine that has earned a reputation as one of the most reliable indoor plants on the planet. Not just for its resilience, but for its ability to remove multiple airborne toxins, including formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, and toluene, all of which are commonly found in household materials like paints, adhesives, and furniture finishes. What makes pothos especially powerful is the way it grows, cascading down shelves or climbing upward if given support, constantly expanding its leaf surface area, which directly increases its ability to filter the air around it. And because it tolerates low light, irregular watering, and a wide range of indoor conditions, it becomes one of the easiest ways to start improving your air quality without changing your lifestyle. This is the kind of plant that doesn't demand attention, but rewards you anyway, turning even the most neglected corner of your home into a cleaner, healthier space. Number 9. Boston fern, the natural humidifier that restores your air. Now we step into a different category of air purification, because the Boston fern doesn't just remove toxins like formaldehyde and xylene, it also adds moisture back into the air, acting almost like a living humidifier, which can make a significant difference in homes where dry air leads to irritated skin, respiratory discomfort, or static-filled environments. Its feathery, arching fronds create a dense canopy of foliage, and that density is exactly what allows it to process large amounts of air, pulling in pollutants while releasing fresh oxygen and humidity at the same time, creating a more balanced indoor environment. It does require a bit more care, preferring consistent moisture and higher humidity levels, but if you can provide that, it becomes one of the most rewarding plants to own, especially in bedrooms or living spaces where air quality and comfort matter most. Number 8, Areca palm, the oxygen booster that transforms entire rooms. There's a reason the Areca palm is often recommended in studies about indoor air quality, and it's not just because of its elegant feathery appearance, but because of its ability to act as a high-volume air purifier, removing toxins like formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene while simultaneously releasing large amounts of oxygen. What makes this plant stand out is its scale, because as it grows, it doesn't just purify the air around its leaves, it influences the entire room, making it especially effective in larger spaces where smaller plants might struggle to have the same impact. It prefers bright, indirect light and regular watering. And while it does take up more space than most plants on this list, what it gives back in terms of cleaner air and improved atmosphere is difficult to match. Number 7, Lady Palm, the elegant filter that thrives in difficult spaces. The Lady Palm is one of those plants that seems almost too refined to be as tough as it is, but behind its graceful fan-like leaves is a highly effective air purifier capable of removing toxins like ammonia, formaldehyde, and benzene, particularly in environments where these chemicals are more concentrated. What makes it unique is its ability to thrive in low-light conditions, making it ideal for hallways, offices, or rooms where other plants might struggle. And because of its dense foliage, it provides a consistent filtering effect that improves air quality over time. It's not the fastest growing plant, but that steady, controlled growth is part of what makes it so reliable, quietly working in the background to create a healthier indoor environment. Number 6, Fiddle Leaf Fig, the statement tree with serious impact. At this point in the ranking, we're entering plants that don't just purify the air, they transform the entire feel of a space, and the fiddle leaf fig does exactly that, with its large, violin-shaped leaves that create both visual drama and functional air filtration. These oversized leaves provide a massive surface area for absorbing airborne toxins like formaldehyde, and as the plant grows taller and fuller, its ability to process air increases significantly, making it one of the most impactful plants for improving indoor air quality in a visible way. It does require bright, indirect light and consistent care, and it can be a bit sensitive to changes, but once it settles into its environment, it becomes both a centerpiece and a powerful natural purifier. Number 5, Weeping Fig, mature form, the full-grown purifier that multiplies its power. While we mentioned the weeping fig earlier in its more modest form, a mature specimen is a completely different story, because as it grows into a full indoor tree, its leaf density and overall size dramatically increase its ability to remove pollutants like formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. This is where the principle becomes clear. The bigger the plant, the greater the impact, and a fully grown weeping fig can process significantly more air than smaller plants, making it a long-term investment in your home's air quality. It prefers stability in its environment, meaning consistent light and minimal movement, but once established, it becomes one of the most effective natural air filters you can have indoors. Number 4, Monstera deliciosa, the giant leaf purifier that dominates the room. There's a reason the Monstera has become one of the most popular indoor plants in the world, and while its dramatic split leaves are visually striking, they also serve a very practical purpose, creating an enormous surface area for absorbing airborne pollutants and releasing oxygen. This plant thrives on that balance between watering and drying out, making it surprisingly forgiving, and because it can grow quite large, it becomes increasingly effective over time, turning into a true powerhouse when it comes to improving indoor air quality. It doesn't just sit in a corner, it defines the space, and in doing so, it transforms the air within it. Number 3, Swiss cheese plant, Monstera adansonii, the adaptable purifier that multiplies fast. Closely related to its larger cousin, the Swiss cheese plant offers a slightly different advantage, because while its leaves are smaller, its growth pattern allows it to spread quickly, either trailing or climbing, which means it can cover more space and increase its overall filtering capacity. It's particularly effective in maintaining consistent air quality because of its steady growth and dense foliage. And like other Monstera varieties, it thrives in indirect light with moderate watering. What makes it special is its versatility, allowing you to place it almost anywhere and still benefit from its air purifying abilities, making it one of the most adaptable plants on this list. Number 2, Peace Lily, the silent purifier that works harder than almost any other. If there's one plant that consistently ranks near the top of air purification studies, it's the Peace Lily. And for good reason, because it has been shown to remove a wide range of pollutants, including ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and xylene, making it one of the most comprehensive natural air filters available. Its broad, dark green leaves absorb toxins efficiently, while its iconic white flowers add a sense of calm and elegance to any room. And despite its powerful capabilities, it remains relatively easy to care for, thriving in low to moderate light with consistent moisture. It's the kind of plant that doesn't just improve your air, it improves the entire atmosphere of your home. Number 1, Snake Plant, the ultimate air purifier that works even when you sleep. And here we are at number 1, the plant that stands above all others, not just for its effectiveness, but for its simplicity, durability, and unique ability to purify the air both day and night. The snake plant, also known as Sansevieria or mother-in-law's tongue, is one of the few plants that performs a type of photosynthesis that allows it to release oxygen at night, making it ideal for bedrooms where air quality matters most during sleep. NASA studies have shown that it can remove toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, toluene, and nitrogen oxides, and it does all of this while requiring minimal care, tolerating low light, irregular watering, and even neglect better than almost any other plant. It's not just a plant, it's a system, a self-sustaining air-purifying system that continues to work no matter how busy your life gets, making it the most practical and powerful choice for improving your indoor environment. And if you've made it all the way to the end of this video, you've just discovered something most people overlook, that the air inside your home isn't fixed. It's something you can actively improve, not with complicated systems, but with living plants that have been quietly doing this job for decades, even centuries. So here's what I want you to do. Take a look around your home and think about where you could add just one of these plants, because even a single addition can begin to change the way your space feels, and over time, those small changes add up to something much bigger. Drop a comment below and tell us which plant surprised you the most, or which one you're planning to bring into your home first. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to Heritage Harvest and turn on notifications.